Hello friend, welcome to a massive open online course called MOOC. I am Dr. Ajit Jaswal from Department of Anthropology, Pondicherry University, Puducherry. Today I am going to discuss about the modules called as Sports and Nutritional Anthropology. Under subject anthropology comes under a stream called as sciences. At certain places we have seen that anthropology comes under social sciences all discipline also. So, this course is applicable for both BA and BSc degree student. It is a 4 credit, 12 weeks, 60 hours course. If we see the main objective of this particular course, in this particular course student will learn about what is anthropology, what is sports, what is nutrition and what is the relationship between all the three. This particular course will also highlight an important issue like physical fitness, exercise, nutritional deficiency or its importance, or what is the factor, feature, culture, concept, historical issues related to the physique, somatotyping, somatoscopy, development of individual. Along with that, the biological parameter and its relation with socio-cultural parameter to develop the fitness of the individual. We all know that today in this particular era, people are facing different kinds of disease, disorder or disturbances. It is mainly because of the disbalance in the three important features, that is anthropology, sports and nutrition. So, let us now try to find out what is anthropology, what is sports or anthropology of sports and what is nutrition. If we see, just try to first find out what is anthropology. It is a scientific holistic study of man in space and time. And then what is anthropology of sports? Anthropology of sports is nothing, it is an kin anthropometry. It is a scientific applied branch of physical anthropology, which is mainly concerned with studying the body size, proportions, movement and all the other feature which is related to human physique. Now, let us try to find out the third concept, that is nutritional anthropology. Nutritional anthropology is also an applied field of anthropology, especially biological anthropology. In that we try to find out the relationship or what is the role of food, diet, balanced diet, metabolic disturbances and its relation with human growth and development. So, ultimately in these modules we try to find out the role of sports, the role of nutrition and anthropological knowledge to explain the development of human being. So, ultimately or we can say that what the student will learn after completing this course. We have seen that in the introductory information that it provides ample amount of information about the sports, nutrition and anthropology. So, student will learn about the importance of human physique, importance of physical fitness, importance of nutrition, importance of balanced diet, importance of activities which will make them much more free from disease, disorder and disturbances, ultimately improve their mental and health condition, which will ultimately result in the development of nation in a long run. If we see the rationale behind developing this course, there are a number of important features that force us to develop this course. Important one is it is applied in nature, multidisciplinary in nature, holistic in approach. This particular modules is important for personality development or developing a human physique of the person, which might be free from any disease and disorder. It is very scientific, well structured modules. Because of the limitation of material, limitation of resources, limitation of expert, this forced us to develop a MOOC course which is multidisciplinary, holistic in nature, which will provide a knowledge to great section of the people who wanted to get knowledge on this course. Because of that, I developed this course. I suppose it will be very much helpful for those who want to carry out this course.